Hi and welcome. This is another computer system. What is this? This is a scroll up ArcoLinuxB Qtile. So it's again a tiling window manager. We have 6 tiling window managers to choose from. Without breath. So we have we've done an update. So we installed ArcoLinuxB Qtile. This is it. You log in, you update, get everything new in. Then you see if anything is in there that uses our etc scale. If it does not, okay, you continue, you do an upall, and you find out that everything is up to date. Then I installed Simple Screen Recorder. Let me close the window before somebody is coming there with a lot of noise. And then we have Simple Screen Recorder, and we're watching the video right now. So at the top you see the polybar. That's an interesting fact to know. So polybar is there with modules. You can add modules, you can delete modules, and so on. We have workspaces, and you work your way around in the tiling window manager always with keyboards. So Super Shift Enter is going to do this, Control T is going to do that, Super T is going to be that, and so many more of these nice keyboard shortcuts. You think it's 2 terminals? No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is, but it's not the same. That's URXVT, and the other one is termite. So it's up to you to decide. Personally, URXVT is for my SSH connection. If that does not ring a bell, then that's cool. That's no problem. But it's a choice. You can use anything you like. There are lots of terminals, actually. If you would like to have a look at terminals, then let's do that. You'll see when you install ArcoLinuxB that there is the possibility to install a lot of terminals on there. So maybe you like sudo pacman -s alacritty. I'm thinking alphabetically. I think that's the first one that comes in my mind. Super Shift D alacritty. We have another terminal. All right, let's kill a few. So alacritty doesn't seem to respond on our content, which makes it transparent. So we have to look into detail if that's possible, even, I don't know. What else? We have sudo pacman -s, there's Qterminal from lxterminal. Just out of the top of my head of all the terminals I came across. Qterminal, right? That's the Qterminal. That's possible as well. Looks a bit different. You can change things. Fine. Sudo pacman -s terminator. That's always a good one. You always think about the video, about the movie, and you launch Terminator. Maybe that's your thing. Often you see these things because it's red, you recognize it because it's red, right? Terminator. Sudo pacman -s. We have xfce, so that's F12. This is my xfce, so that doesn't count, right? That's installed. We have we could install tmux. There's a tutorial on our website, arcolinux.com. Yeah, tmux is not SE and terminal per se, but it is making it possible to do different kind of screens. I have to look at that because the tutorial there is from Marco, one of the core members, who's made a lovely tutorial all about tmux, and you can divide tmux into pieces, so have more elements, but I have to look what the keyboard shortcuts are. There are, of course, as well cheat sheets for that. So tmux. So we stay in terminal, in the terminator, but in here is something new, and you can divide it and make several splits in this particular screen. We have Control D, Dolphin. Let's do another one. So we have the sudo pacman -s. -s. We have Dolphin. Maybe you like that one better. And Dolphin asks me a question. I usually say just default. And that's of course a choice. It's your megabytes, right? So you see it brings in a lot of dependencies. Dolphin is part of KDE, and that's why all these stuff have the letter K. or plasma. Usually I say plasma, but here it makes sense to tell you guys why are all these things in, because it says K, so KDE. So install it or don't install it, it's up to you. As a matter of video, I will install it. A lot of K stuff comes in that we don't need. But you want Dolphin. Well, this is the way to go then. And now we have Dolphin. Sorry, my mistake. Of course, Dolphin is the file manager. What I wanted to install is the konsole. Now, maybe it's a good thing that I made a mistake, because I can just go arrow up, by the way. So arrow up, and you see what the things are I typed. So Dolphin is great, but it's a file manager. Okay, we can get rid of it as well. RS, remember the S. I wanted to do is sudo pacman, which is konsole, of course, right? -s konsole. Well, that one, and also a lot of stuff. So that's why I was not surprised at all to see all these dependencies. So Dolphin is not the word I'm looking about. Konsole. Again, Eric. Again, wake up. So here you go. We have konsole, and it's a nice thing. It's a nice little terminal that looks, of course, much better inside Plasma itself. What else am I missing? There's all these applications can be installed straight on Calamares. So in the installer, you'll have the choice of your lifetime to say I want to have that or that or that or that terminal. I'm probably forgetting one or two, but let me take a peek. And maybe you don't know, and that's okay if you don't know. Or beta testers and core developers, of course, are aware of that. So I'm cheating, but you can cheat as well. I'm gonna take, so this is the beta page of ArcoLinux, but there's also one of ArcoLinuxD. I'm gonna take that one, because somewhere in here you'll see this is the preparation of the release of April. And of course I'm looking for just the terminals. So there's a lot of stuff. And I think I missed the terminals. All the way up. Themes, games, software, video stuff. Too bad. Can't find it immediately. Was it hidden away? It might be possible that it's a drop down that we can't see in the images at this point in time. So that's too bad. But I wouldn't be Eric if I wouldn't know where to go to. ArcoLinux. Everything is on the net. We have configurations of Calamares in there. And well, that one won't work. Well, this one will. And in here we have also text, modules, communication, desktop development, gaming, internet, kernel, login, multimedia, office services, naming, utilities. Which one is it? Maybe utilities? And that's a bunch of stuff, but it's not terminals. Applications, what if it's in here? And we have a winner almost. So I want to point out these are the file managers you can choose. So I chose Dolphin, but there's Kaha, MC, Nautilus, Nemo, PCman FM, Ranger, Tunar, also possible. But the terminals are a little bit down here, somewhere. So alacritty, I forgot gnome-terminal, sure, gnome-terminal, true. So sudo pacman, whoops, sudo pacman -s gnome-terminal can be installed straight from the ISO if you got internet. Always a big if. Gnome terminal. Maybe that's interesting for you to know as well. there is a gnome-terminal transparent. So yay, gnome-terminal transparent. But that one is, oh, it's gone. On transparency maybe. Transpa. There you go. So it's not gone. If you want to have a transparent GNOME terminal, then install that one, number 1. What else? Guake. We haven't seen guake yet. Sudo and guake. We've not seen that one either. Pacman -s. Why I think about these two is because both of them are drop-down terminal. And then we have guake. Guake is more for GNOME and for Budgie, F12. If they don't work, they will probably work against each other because F12 is now neofetch. Well, sorry, it's XFCE terminal. And then guake, another one. But maybe you can run it like this. So that's guake for you. Then there's guake as well. And there are, I think, around 20 of these things, terminals. It's Linux, right? Guake. Right, correct. Wayland coming in. Guake. Great name. F12, okay, F12. But because XFC is still there. lxterminal Kitty, we've missed Kitty. Sudo pacman -s Kitty. I see some of our users using that on Discord. Kitty, this is Kitty, right? Sakura, right? Sakura. -s Sakura. Sounds Japanese or Chinese or something like it. I think about sake, but okay, Sakura. That's just me, I suppose. Terminator, termite, we've seen. Tilix, we have not seen. And tilda, that's the two last ones. So, tilix. At some point in time, you just choose a terminal and stick with it. And you know what that's called? That's workflow, that's people's behavior. They stick to what works. They found something and they keep using it. Simple as that. So tilix or tilix, I'm not sure. Is a short name or an abbreviation there. I can split some stuff in here. That was quite obvious with the signs up here and a plus. So it's gonna be tapped, I suppose. But I can kill it as well. Okay, cool, tilix. And last one was tilda. Where am I typing? Nowhere. Sudo pacman -s tilda. So the video is a little bit longer, but I thought let's have some fun. But tilda, did I write that right? Okay. Oh, whoa, I made just a new command. Sudo, not a new command, pacman -s tilda. Okay, installed. Let's move to this particular workspace. Oh, it wants to know a lot of stuff. So, do you want this? Do you want that? Title, command, appearance, colors, scrolling, compatibility, key bindings. Okay, all good. And then you have tilda. Alright, the video is a little bit longer, but now you know a few things about the future as well. And it's all online. You can see it on the pages. This is what hitting in April. Alright, cheers.